Hi, in this video we are going to see how to continue the thread if the thread got cut in the middle of the Aari work. So I'm making the chain now. If the thread got cut like this, again take a thread, two thread, make a knot. Start from the last chain where the thread ends. From inside you have to take the thread out and continue making the chain. After 3-4 chains, trim off the extra thread in the middle. And apply glue on it. For any design you can make it like this. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.